what's up everybody? This is Andrew here, and this right here is the LG CineBeam Q projector. I just got this. Like, I haven't even used it yet. All I've done is an unboxing. So I will put the full unboxing completely unedited as a separate video if you want to see what this, like, what comes in the box. But for now, check out this quick supercut. Here are my first impressions before I even use this thing. I've got a separate video I'll make where I actually go over what it's like to use it and everything, but this is just my impressions straight out of the box. As far as it goes with my impressions of the packaging and everything, first of all, the box was small. It's crazy how small this thing is. My hand is bigger than this. So that's my first impression. This thing's tiny. Second impression is I like the fact that it's really just like simple for what it came with. It came with a remote with a couple of batteries, AA. The remote is simple too. It's just got a couple buttons on it. So it's got Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video. And the reason why it has that on there is because one thing I do know about this is that it actually has Airplay built in along with a bunch of streaming services. And any streaming service that it doesn't have, it also has Airplay built in. So I can just cast straight from my phone. Aside from that, I have not actually read the manual yet, so I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, literally just unboxed this. But it looks like these are like kind of corner pieces to protect it. It looks like each one just kind of fits on here to protect it so that, you know, if it hits anything, just some added protection. So I gotta figure out how to put these on exactly. I think that these little stickers come off and you put them on and they're like rubber. To be honest with you, looking at this thing, though, it's so clean and nice to look at that I kind of don't even want to put these on here. So we're gonna see if I do or not. Aside from that though, the power brick is right here. It's not that big. I was reading up a review before that was saying that this was massive, and it's really not. It's smaller than like an old HP laptop power brick, so it's not that bad. This one is, what's the voltage on it? Let me see. It's probably not even relevant to many of you, but I'm just gonna let you know for anybody wondering. The voltage is 100 to 240 volt. That's what it says at least. I don't know. Who checks that anyways? So whatever. The last thing I want to say about this thing is that first impression, just right off the bat, it's freaking pretty to look at. This thing is gonna look really good in my bedroom, and the cool thing is after seeing just how small it is, I feel like I'm gonna find the ability to put it in more places than I expected. For now, I'm just gonna go test it out, and in my next video, I'll give you my first impression of what it's like to actually use this thing. By the way, I'll drop a link below to the projector. This is not sponsored or anything, but I'll just give you a quick rundown on the specs. This is a 4K projector. It has a feature in it that I thought was kind of interesting. So if I had it angled like this and I was actually projecting to the wall, I guess we'll auto align and adjust so that it will actually like properly fit the wall. So I think that'll be good, especially in my bedroom, as my bedroom's not situated for a projector right now. So I might have to angle it so that it can get the largest wall size. The other thing is that this thing can actually do like 120 foot projection, and that's the max that they suggest for it. The other thing is that it comes with this handle, which actually I should have talked about from the beginning. Kind of makes it so it's like a lunchbox. This thing is, I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it. I'm not about to sit up here and try to pinky it or anything like that, but it is very lightweight, like, but it's not a toy, and it doesn't feel like a toy either. The last thing I should tell you is the price, actually. It priced in at $1,300, I think. I'll put the price up here somewhere. So yeah, it's not cheap. It's priced. It's made by LG. As far as the I/O on the back, it's an HDMI, a USB. Looks like this is an HDMI in. Maybe I'll like play some games on it sometime. It's a DC in, so that's for the power. And then the power button's right here. And I don't know what that is. That's probably the IR blaster for the remote. So it looks like, yeah, it takes an IR blaster. So I'm gonna have to make sure that wherever I put it, I can actually see it. See, the remote can reach it. So yeah, 1,300 bucks, super tiny, 4K projector, 120 foot screen is the max. Now I get to finally try it out. So this was my first impression of the LG CineBeam Q 4K projector. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the super cut of the unboxing. Go check out the link here or here to see the full unboxing, no edits, experience, especially with me struggling to open the batteries. You might laugh at me for that. Yeah, so drop a comment. hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and please come back to support my channel. I do appreciate it, so thank you so much. I got a lot of links down there to like referrals and everything like that, so if you could check those out as well, please do. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I'm literally gonna go take this in the bedroom and set it up and do like my first impression with that afterwards, give you guys a full review after I've tested it out for like a week or so. And yeah, I'm excited to use this because the truth is I never wanted to put a TV in my bedroom. I only have a TV in the living room, but all that's really done for me is make it so that I just sleep in the living room on the couch. So I like rarely ever use my bed. Probably TMI. So I'll go ahead and end this video. And thank you so much for watching, especially if you are stuck around for all my rambling. I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you have a good weekend. Hope you have a good week, whatever day it is. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out my other videos. All right, see you in the next video. Peace.